Hi everyone, this is a very special episode of Dr. Dave's 411. Here, for the first time in the history of social media, a cardiologist, that would be me, is going to sacrifice his body and health in the name of public health education. That is correct. If there are any children watching this video, please escort them out of the room now. I am about to consume something that has been shown to have many bad effects on the human body, that has brought grown men to their knees and into the bathroom. What am I talking about? Fast food, and in particular, the infamous Big Mac, or what I will call the Big Mac attack. A total of 563 calories, 33 grams of total fat, 8 grams of saturated fat, and 1,007 milligrams of sodium. Okay, let's do this. Hi guys, it's Dr. Dave and I am here at McDonald's. It is 10:30 in the morning and I'm telling you this place is packed. There's like 5 cars in front of me and 5 cars behind me and it's 10:30. So apparently the message on fast food and how unhealthy it is has not been received by, I guess, most of the population. So we are here for the Big Mac attack. Yes, I am going to eat a Big Mac, and then
Can I help you?
Yeah, hi, it's Dr. Dave from Dr. Dave's 411. How are you?
Good.
Have you heard of Dr. Dave's 411?
I'm sorry?
Have you heard of Dr. Dave's 411? It's like a Facebook channel, YouTube channel, Instagram, LinkedIn. No, I guess not.
Hold on one second.
Okay. Oops, I hope I'm not getting her in trouble. Okay, so maybe I should just order the Big Mac and not make a big deal out of this with the Dr. Dave's 411. So we will just, but anyway, what I was saying is it blows me.
Hi, I can help you.
Yeah, hi, Dr. Dave from Dr. Dave's 411. How are you?
How are you doing today?
Good, good. I'm just here for a Big Mac.
A Big Mac?
I'm actually here for the Big Mac attack.
I'm sorry?
I'm here for the Big Mac, the Big Mac, yep.
Just a sandwich or would you like a meal today?
Just the Big Mac sandwich. I think that'll be more than enough.
Okay, is that all?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, man. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Cool.
Okay, so we're gonna pull over, and we'll see what it's looking like. Okay, guys, so we are driving up to the window to pick up the Big Mac, and it's so interesting. They now have Uber Eats and McDelivery. So if you're so lazy and out of shape that you can't even leave your house, you can actually have the food delivered to you. So that's really sad, actually. All right, so they are preparing the Big Mac. What we're going to talk about is the immediate effects of the Big Mac on the body. When we hear about fast food or you read about fast food, usually we're talking about long-term effects, months, years. But it's actually been shown in multiple studies that when we eat fast food, high saturated fat, excuse me one second. Hi, it's Dr. Dave's from Dr. Dave's 411. How are you?
Good, thank you. One Big Mac, right?
Yes, one Big Mac.
Or 7?
Are you selling a lot of Big Macs? Popular? Maybe not this early. It's only 10:30. I'm probably the only one buying a Big Mac, I bet.
It's 6 or 7.
Oh, 6. Okay, sorry.
One French fries, no soda, right?
No, nothing else. The Big Mac is enough. I'm going for the Big Mac attack.
Oh.
You know what that is? Mm-hmm. You eat a Big Mac and you hope you don't have a heart attack. All right, guys. So we are getting our Big Mac. I don't know if I'm excited or scared about it, but let's see what the outcome is. I was initially going to eat it here, but I think that I need to be in a controlled setting where there's possibly a defibrillator or I can be brought to the hospital immediately. So I think we're going to bring it back to Dr. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. I'm going to bring it back to the studio where we can actually make sure that if something bad happens to me, there'll be people around. All right, guys, I'll see you back in the studio in a couple of minutes. Okay, everyone, I am back in Dr. Dave's 411 studio with the Big Mac. So I am about to take a bite of this burger and then explain to you what is likely happening to my body on live video. So we can see here that we have one patty, then we have some sauce, we have another patty, we have sauce, we have cheese. It's just a whole big tower of processed and fat. Okay, so here we go. I'm about to, yes, we have the defibrillator. The defibrillator is nearby. We have EMS waiting in the wings should something bad happen to me. So here goes nothing. Okay. So right now, my mouth is full of fat. Just gobbing fat all over the place.
Really, the only word for it is...
And my brain doesn't know what to think of. So, after eating a high-fat meal such as junk food, what are some of the immediate changes we see in our body? First, our blood vessels, which have an amazing life-saving ability to increase in size when needed and improve blood flow to our body, becomes inhibited. This ability will actually change with the consumption of a high-fat meal such as this. Researchers have measured the ability of blood vessels to dilate or expand 2 to 4 hours after eating a high-fat fast food meal. The results were scary. Almost immediately after eating one fast food item such as this Big Mac, a person's arteries will dilate 50% less than normal. Losing this function in blood vessels is a significant part of developing heart disease. Next, our red blood cells. Our red blood cells are normally a beautiful red color with a nice, smooth, disc-like shape. However, after consuming a high-fat meal, they change size, they become smaller, and they even develop nasty-looking spikes on them. It's even been suggested that these spikes on red blood cells can damage blood vessels and even promote heart disease. How about fats in our blood? Well, after eating fast food, we can see a significant increase in the cholesterol floating in our blood. Literally, you can hold up a test tube of blood and see the cloudy pus-like fat floating after eating a high-fat meal. Our blood sugar levels will also increase, stimulating the release of insulin, also known as the fat hormone. And don't forget, all the salt in this Big Mac, all 1,000 milligrams, can spike our blood pressure and cause havoc in our body. Here is something really interesting. We have trillions of good bacteria in our digestive system that help keep us healthy. But after eating junk food, we can wipe up to 50% of the good guys and can lead to the bad guys over-proliferating and then releasing a nasty substance causing endotoxemia. That's when the gut bacteria produce dangerous substances or toxins that leak into our blood, which can set off our immune system. Once our immune system is triggered, we get high levels of inflammation, which can wreak havoc on our body, almost like a burning inferno. Okay guys, I have survived so far, but I hope to see you next week for a safer episode of Dr. Dave's 411. Until next time, this is Dr. Dave.